Wagwan people and welcome back to BUSHGODD TV. I'm your host, the one and only Mr. BUSHGODD himself, and welcome to another installment of Cooking with Mr. BUSHGODD. You see me? You don't know, you know, this is a show we take the ordinary and the simple and we turn that into the extraordinary. You see me? We are going to make a delicious, luscious, beautiful spring roll. You see me? And me as a person, I love the experimentation, I love the mix up. Especially when you take the time and the effort and you put it together properly and you cook it up nice, you see me? And you sit down and you enjoy that, brother. Nothing at all can beat the feeling, you understand me? So, with a little bit of elbow grease and time, we just have to take some simple ingredients and make some nice spring rolls. So, without further ado, we can just jump right in it. Cabbage. Any amount of cabbage you want to use, whole cabbage, small cabbage, purple cabbage, yellow cabbage, it don't really matter as long as a cabbage. We have some scallion or spring onion, it don't really matter. Jamaica come from a scallion, call it. You see me? So we have some scallion. We have 2 little baby carrot. You can use regular adult carrot too. But baby carrot, you see me, nonetheless. Scotch bonnet pepper. If you're in a foreign, you can use chili pepper, chili flakes, or pepper seed or whatever, but a Jamaica with it, so Scotch bonnet. 2 cloves of garlic, you need no more than 2. If there's a garlic love, you can probably put some more of that in it. 1 onion. You don't have to use all of the onion if you don't love it, but you know me like onion or it tastes, and you probably don't use all that, but onion. We have our flour. What also important, we need to make the wraps also some cornstarch. You see me? And for complete the filling, we have some chicken breast. You see me? That chicken breast here, we just put it in the water to go and soak with some salt, so it go and soak and go and thaw out and all these things, so we can get it nice and tender when we chop it up for cook it up. You see me? So before we can make the filling and cut up the chicken and all of that, we are going to need to make the spring roll wrappers or the filo paper, whichever you want to call it. You see me? So we just have to dive right in at the flour and the water now and show you how to make the dough, roll it out as thin as possible and get it cooking. You see me? So without further ado, I get to just jump right in at that.
Alright people, so now we are going to start by adding some all-purpose flour, then some salt to our all-purpose flour, then we are going to add in the cornstarch, you see me? Now we just mix that in proper, just mix it, then you are going to make a hole, and get the hole, you know, and throw some water in that and mix that. Mix it until it get thick. You want it thick and dry. You can add some water in it to soften it up, but you know, let the dough smooth as possible. You see me? We are going to do now, we are going to just barely roll out the dough and get a knife and just cut it up in a cubes. You see me? Just cube it up, and nothing big, nothing fancy. You see me? Because we are going to roll them up in some little balls like dumplings. You see me? Because a pot we are cook them in. So we need to make them at the size of our pots. You understand? With them pieces of the dough now we cut up, just arrange them and you know massage them to get out all of the crease and all of the markings out of them, and just make sure say them smooth. Then you just roll them up in some ball, nothing perfect, nothing too big, and then now you press them down, make some little flat coins out of them. You see me? After that now we just flour our surface, get our rolling pin, and then we just start rolling. You understand me? We don't have to make nothing big and odious or roll them too extremely flat, because we have to stop them. You see me? So after you done roll out everything you need to roll out now, you grab them, place it down back on your surface, get some cooking oil, cork full or whatever, and make sure say you just cover the whole of the surface of the thing with the cooking oil, one side only. You understand me? So when you done cover the whole of your surface of the thing now with the cooking oil, you get some flour and you sprinkle upon that. You see what I deal with. Get the next one, stack it, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat until you done everything. You understand me? When you're done now, you see me? Stack up everything, you lift it up, and you reflour your surface where I work on one more time and get ready for roll again. You see me? So grab a rolling pin and start press. You see me? Now this depends on how thin you want the thing. So the thinner it is, the more harder it will be to pull apart. You understand me? So the more you roll it, brother, the more you going to make the thing them stick together. You see me? So just use a judgment on it. You see it? So we are going to go and continue now, roll and roll and roll until it flat out and this big. You see me? As you can see, it big, well, practically 2 times the amount I think now we start out with. You see me? I mean, I tell you, say, boy.
Like how we finish roll out the dough what we just make, we are going to put it in a pot we have right now to go and cook, and that now going to take more than about 5 minutes. So I could just jump right over the coal stove right now. You see me? So like how the pot well hot now, you see me? What we just do, we just grease the pot with a little bit of oil. So now we are going to take our filo pastry and put it in a pot to go and cook it, you see me? As soon as you see it start bubble up on the top, you are going to flip it, you see it? But you don't know, we are going to show you how to do it, you see it? Bumbo cloth is bigger than the pot, dog. As you can see, I have a little bit of bubbling come up, you see me? So you are going to know, you are going to flip it, you see it? Hot. Just give it bang. What you want to do, you know, when you roll your dough, you want to make it the exact width of the pan where you use, say, if cook them. You see it? So, you see, because me did make mine a little bit too big, that's why them come up around the edges like this, you see it? But it good same way it still can use, and the only thing you have to do is just cut them off, you see it?
Even when time you feel the pastry done patch up and thing, you're supposed to always cut off the edges off I think, because them always crispier than everything else, you understand? And if your wrap start crack up like my one, don't worry about that, adjust the top and the bottom, everything else good.
Get the wrapper them finish cook, you see me, you just want them parch, no burn or anything like that, you see it? So what you are going to do now, you take a little time and peel them off, you see me? So, you have to deal with that, you know.
Now, the thing is with peeling off them wrapper, you know, you have to have a whole heap of patience and a whole heap of time, and just take a little time and peel them, because me I tell you, say them tear easily, you see me? As soon as you even put too much force on they just tear, but me I tell you, say worth it. And the way the wrapper thing, you literally can't see through it, could you? You literally see my hand, brother. Trust me, them wrapper, you worth it. Alright, so I want to get your chicken breast soft and thaw out and cut it up in some chunks again and whatever, and then now you just go crazy and just chop up everything. Just go crazy with the chopper, brothers. It's like some mince meat thing, but you know you can use other meats and, you know, pork, beef or whatever if you have the mince up already that good for you see me? Scotch bonnet pepper, the onion, you see it, some scallion, some garlic, carrot, and salt, and put some Maggi all purpose in there, any other spice where you want, you see me? Oil up the pot and just throw it in, cover it down and make it go and fry up, you understand me? Get up your cabbage now, any amount you want chop, just chop it up. You don't have to chop it up like mince, then just go and chop it anyway you want, chop it, season it up, salt, pepper, whatever. And after your thing done now, after about 20 minutes or so, depends on how you cook it, you see it, you just throw in your cabbage. Because the thing is, you know, when you cook this, you don't want to cook it to make it crispy, you see me? You want to cook it on a level where it stays juicy, you see me? That's why you chop up the chicken so fine, you see it? So when you chop up the chicken, so it will go easier to cook without it being crispy, you see it? So that I go make all the juice them stay night with all the seasoning them and all of that, you see me? So now just swap out that for some oil, you see it?
The wrapper, we make the filling, so now we are going to make the roll, you see me? So right now, we are going to back out the wrapper them, throw some filling on it, and wrap it up, and get them fried.
So grab a little wrapper them one by one, grab a spoon or a fork and you fill in, you know, and you don't have to be too generous or you can be too generous depending on how much filling you want to put in your thing, you see me? Now this is a case where you have to be gentle and stern at the same time, you see me? Or gentle and firm at the same time, you see me? You can't be too rough with the thing. You have to like love and caress it, you understand? Yeah man, and be gentle with the thing, you see it? Then now, you know, you roll the thing, you get your water now, and you go wet the end of it, you see it? So when you wet the end of it now, that I go make you seal it, you see me? So while you make the other one them now, that I go there dry and I seal up and ray. Now you can go and pre the side video for kind of have an idea how me wrap the thing them, you see me? So just go and pre. This how the unfried rolls them look now. You see me? When them fry, them a go well crispy. So just bring them over to the attire now and throw them in one by one. But make sure so you be gentle with the thing, you know, man. Cause you know an attire splash over you or nobody are about up yourself or nothing like that, is it? Now something to keep in mind, you know. It's best if you deep fry them, or if you fry them in a shallow oil like me, make sure so you keep a good eye on them in order to get that golden brown look there and to make them burn up. You understand what I say?
How it is?
Good. The exterior have a nice crunchy taste. Tastes like chips. Yeah, and the interior just yeah, nice warm, soft taste. Like with the vegetable and the meat, like, and the seasoning, like give the nice spicy taste that you expect.
Right now people do know this tastes good. But after almost finish off my bite before I can talk to you, you see me? Trust me. You see the wrapping of this thing? Crispy and crunchy. You see me? Don't mind the aisle. I forgot to put them on the napkin after I take them out of aisle, but remember to do that, you see me? But otherwise from that there, crispy, spicy, chicken juicy, vegetable crunchy, I have to try. BUSHGODD, cooking with BUSHGODD, BUSHGODD TV. Big up on yourself. See you in our next video.